Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket cog, sometimes also called a basket swizzle. There are other moves called a basket swizzle, so I'm going to stick with basket cog just to keep it clear. Anyone who doesn't know a basket already, there'll be a link in the description below so you can head off and learn the basket bit first if you don't know it already. But for those of you who are ready, let's do it. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard basket. So semicircle 2 hands and wrap and twist back in. So normal basket to here. This is where it changes. We're releasing with the left hand, guys. We're pulling with the right. So we're starting the lady turning to her right. Now guys, as the lady's turning, we're turning to our left. So we're going to reach around with that left hand, switch which hand is holding the lady. She's carrying on as well. Notice I take the hand down so it doesn't get in the lady's way to stop her turning, and relax it and lift as she goes round. So it folds up behind the back. If you try and keep it high, it will actually impede the lady going around. Ladies, how the hand is available, we're going to pick that up and we're going to lift it out to the left. So now you're in a swizzle position for the ladies, but the guys have their arms crossed, which means you could do something like a tunnel or something like that if you wanted to. And now from here, well, a man tunnel. And then it's just return the lady, and you'll end up in accordion position, right over left, but we're just going to drop the hands and step back, so you can do any cross-handed move there. So let's do that again with some numbers from the other side. We go back to 2 hands. 1, wrap in. 2, twist out. 3, around the corner. 4, this is where things get interesting. We're releasing with the left, pulling with the right, and guys turning left as ladies turn right. Switch hands behind the back. 5, all the way round and hit our swizzle position. 6, and then it's just return 7 and back 8. Let's try it together, nice and slow, left to right. 5, a 6, a basket cog. We go a back, wrap, twist, round the corner, rotate, swizzle, return and back. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another dance clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end to practice to, and as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.